Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can green screen edit in CapCut PC. For instance, uh, I'm going to select this video with the green screen and I want to split the clip and select that I want to use. So I'm going to add this photo as an just the duration and make it as an overlay for the green screen video, and you can click the green screen. So just click cutout and chroma key color picker and select this green screen just for the strength and shadow like that. Okay, you can also resize and just put the position like so. So here we go. Okay, that's very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.